Hey, it's Gina with WTI. My favorite thing about this cordless vacuum from HOTAWEli is how lightweight it is. Using a heavy vacuum can give me some shoulder tightness, but I've had no problems at all since I started using this vacuum. I found that this works really well on different types of floors. I have a few different styles of rugs, including low pile and fluffier rugs, as well as kind of more industrial ones. With the fluffier rug, I found that it worked best on the lower setting, and then on the other rugs on the higher setting. On my laminate floors, I used it on the low setting, and it worked so well to get up all the dust and debris, including cat litter and cat food. It also worked really well to get up our short hair cat's hair, and I really like that. One of the other things, of course, that I love is that this is cordless. It makes it so easy just to grab the vacuum and vacuum things up right on the spot when there's a mess. It has a telescoping handle, and I love that I can adjust it to fit into our strangely shaped closet where I put the vacuum. Also, this is topple resistant, so when I have it all the way down on the telescope and I just want to have it freestanding in the middle of the floor or in my closet, it does not fall over, and I really, really love that. This has a great turn radius. It can go 180 or 90 degrees, and it goes low enough to get underneath furniture so you can really get into all those areas that have dust. And I love that it has different attachments. So I can quickly just remove the motor and attach either the little wedge piece or the little brush piece, and that's been perfect for areas that the vacuum doesn't fit or like on my couch. So I really like it has that versatility. This has made vacuuming so much easier for me. I do it multiple times a day just to keep my floors looking perfect, and that's my point of view.